Do you want to know how to search on DuckDuckGo? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that you've downloaded DuckDuckGo browser on your laptop or your Mac. Now, tap on the app icon and open it. Once you launch the app, you're gonna see on the top of the screen there will be search or enter address bar. Now to search, all you have to do is move your cursor to the bar, click on it, then type in the word or anything that you want to search. I'm gonna type in Facebook. Once you do that, just go ahead and tap on enter. You can see that's how you search on DuckDuckGo. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.